Welcome back to our channel and पढ़ेगा तभी तो बढ़ेगा India. Today we are going to discuss about a topic which is very vital for the CTET, and the topic name is antonymous. Yeah, the topic name is antonymous, which is very vital, and you can get one or more than one questions in the CTET. So if you're new on our channel, then please watch the video till the end, and if you think you learned something from the video, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Alright, so we are going to start the video. I hope you all are fine, and now we are going to do the first one is able. So if we are talking about antonymous, then what is the difference between antonymous? Firstly we should learn the meaning. If we will know the meaning of antonymous, then I think we can solve the questions related to the same. So the meaning of antonymous is opposite. It means opposite. And if we'll talk about in the Hindi, then it will be विलोम शब्द. आपने देखा होगा अगर हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं तो विलोम शब्द होते हैं, and same way if we are talking about English, then it will be antonymous. So I have selected few words which is very common, and you can get in the exam centers when you are going to give exam of CTET or DSSB or of anything. Then you will get these questions over there. So believe me, this session will be very important for you. Then please watch the video till the end, and then make sure if you are learning something and you learned in the end, then please comment us. And if you think we should improve something, then please give your vital suggestion in the comment box, and we will also do the needful changes. So we are going to start the first one. So the first word would be able. So antonymous, right? So the antonymous would be opposite. So if the first word is able, then the antonymous would be unable. You can see the first one is able, then the antonymous is unable. After that, the second word is above. Then if we are talking about above, then the antonymous would be below. And the third one, absent. Then obviously the antonymous would be present. So here's the same. After that, accept means if we are accepting something. Then disline, if we are disliking something, we are disline, we don't want it, then the antonymous would be disline. Moving forward, then the another one be the further word is accept. The antonymous would be refuse. After that, achieve, then the antonymous would be fail. If we are achieving something, but if we are unable to achieve, then the opposite would be obviously fail. So the antonymous of achieve is fail. After that, admit. We admit something. Like if we have stole the chocolate, we have steal the chocolate and we have eaten it, and we are admitting, yeah, I have stolen and I have ate the chocolate. It means you are admitting, आप स्वीकार कर रहे हैं कि आपने उस चीज़ को खाया है. बट इफ़ यू आर डिनाइंग, इट मीन्स यू आर डूइंग द अपोजिट थिंग. सो द antonymous of admit is deny. After that, one more word which is similar to, if we are talking about antonymous, so this is the similar to deny. So the word is admit and the antonymous is reject. After that, we will we will look forward. So the further word is against. Against means for. The antonymous would be for. Coming back, the further word is arrive. It means we are arriving, or we are we have decided any destination and we are going to achieve it. So we are arriving there. So the opposite would be, or antonymous would be, leave. After that, ascend. The antonymous would be descend. And after that, ask. then the antonymous would be answer. After that, attack. Attack, when we are we are attacking on someone. And defend, if we are defending, so the opposite would be defend. Here we go. After that, awake, then the antonymous would be asleep. After that, bad, then the antonymous would be good. After that, the word is beautiful, then the antonymous would be ugly. After that, before, obviously we all know if we are talking about before, then and the antonymous would be after. So the word is after. Begin, begin, then the antonymous would be end. Alright, we have done some words. Now we are going on the next phase. We will again do the more questions. So here we go. So the next word is agree. Agree. If we agree on something, that's called agree. And if disagree on something, then that's called disagree. So if we are talking about antonymous, then the antonymous of just a moment. Yeah, we are right here. Don't do. Just a moment, learners. Okay, we are right here. Agree, disagree. I think we have done this one or not? We didn't. Okay, fine. Agree, then the antonymous would be disagree. Alive, the antonymous would be dead. We can also say antonymous to opposite words. So alone, so the opposite of alone would be together. Alone means who is aloof or who is alone. And if we are talking about in the opposite, then together, it means two or more than two people. Always, never. Ancient, it's modern. Answer, question. If someone asks you someone, that's called question, and if we will revert back to them, that's called answer. So the antonymous of answer would be question. Small, that's big. The antonymous of small would be big. After that, the word is behind. Behind means which is backside. So the antonymous would be in front of, which is on the front. This is not at the behind side. So in front of. Now the next word is best. So the antonymous would be worst. Next word is big. Then the antonymous would be little. It means the opposite word would be little. After that, birth. So the opposite of birth would be death. Then the next word is bitter. Bitter, it means kadwa. So the antonymous would be sweet. Black, the antonymous would be white. After that, interesting. Then the antonymous would be boring. Interesting means when we take interest in something, for example, I'm reading a novel which is very interesting, then definitely I'll take interest and I'll read the full novel. But if the novel is boring, then definitely I will not. I will feel sleepy all the time, then it will be make me bored. So this is the difference between interesting and bore, and the opposite of interesting is bore. It means boring. So here we go for the next one. Boy, that's called boy. So the opposite of boy would be, if we are talking about antonymous, the antonymous of boy is girl. After the buy, if we buy something, that's called buy, and if we sell something, it means we are doing the opposite thing. So the opposite of buy is sell. Careful. In the classroom, some students make their notebooks very in a very good way. They decorate it, and some of them they will not. They make it dirty. The cover, the front pages will be destroyed. So that's called careless. So the opposite would be of careless is careless. After that, expensive. Obviously, we are talking about expensive. It means which is very costly, and cheap, which is not too much costly. The price is very less. That's called cheap. And after that, cheerful. So the opposite of cheerful is sad. Then the word is child. So the antonymous of child is adult. Then the next word is chilly. Chilly. That's called chilled. Sometimes people say, I'm, I'm drinking the chilled water. So the opposite of chilled would be warm. Warm or hot. We can use both words. Sometimes people use drinking hot water. So we can also swap it to the hot, but warm is also good. So here we go for the warm. So the antonym of chili would be warm. Then the next word is clean. The antonym of clean is dirty. After that, clever. The antonym of clever would be stupid. Then we'll go there. Crazy. Sometimes people use, are you crazy? So the opposite of crazy would be sane. It means murk. The meaning of sane is murk. That's mean murk. Create. The antonym of create is destroy. Dark. The antonym of dark would be bright. Again, the antonym of dark would be light. Bright and light, they both would be the same. So if we are getting any question in a CTET or DSSB or in any exam, so if they are asking for the antonyms of dark, and there it will get the option in such way of bright or light. If any of them are over there, then they will be correct, but not both would be there. There could be only bright or there could be only light. So the answer would be correct. After the dawn. The dawn means Suryoday and sunset means Suryast. So the antonyms of dawn would be sunset. After that, the word is difficult. Some words are very difficult, but some words are easy. So the antonyms of difficult is easy. After that, downwards. Downwards, then the antonyms would be upwards. Dry, sukha. Wet, gila. So the antonyms would be wet. Dusk, the same meaning. Dusk and sunset, they both are same. So the antonyms would be dawn. It means Suryast. It means Suryast. And dawn means Suryodaya. It means Suryodaya. Don't forget it. So moving forward. Cold. So the next word is cold. So the antonyms of cold will be hot. After that, discomfort. So the antonyms of discomfort will be comfort. We will hide the dis. So the word will be comfort. So the antonyms of discomfort would be comfort. After that, we'll go for the next one, incomplete. So the antonyms would be complete. Next, complex, which is not easy, which is hard to do. That's called complex. But there are some works which are we can do easily. That's called simple. So the antonyms of complex would be simple. The next word is cool. This is also related to the chilled. sorry, chill. This is related to the chilled, and the antonymous would be warm. Then the next word is correct. So the antonymous would be incorrect. And the next word is again correct. So the answer would be wrong. So that they both are correct. Now we are going for the further one. Easy. The antonymous would be hard. Enter. Then the antonymous would be exit. Excited. Bored. I'm too much excited to the new things. I'm bored to new thing. I don't want to do new thing. I love only the old things. You know, if I go to try the new thing, then I feel bored. So these are the opposite. Some people, you know, they feel excited when they try to do new things, but some people feel bored. So they both are opposite to each other. After that, the next one is exhale. Then the antonymous would be inhale. This word is very popular for the meditation. If we are doing meditation, then we can see these both words over there. After that, the next word export. So the answer would be import. Exterior, interior. Exterior, interior. After the tall, short. You know, some people say I'm very tall, and some girls say I'm very short. I'm not, you know, doing gender discrimination over there, but sometimes we can also see the boys, they are very short. So we have done this one. Now moving forward, there are a few more words, and please guys, if you will note down these words, then please I'm requesting to you all, please note down these words. They are very vital, very important for you. If you are listening very, you know, carefully, and if you will note it down, then nobody can cut your marks and you will get any of you know, word over your exam. Then you will definitely identify or recognize, and you will tick the correct one. Going for the next one, external, internal. We can get in the college or in the school this word external marks and internal marks. After that, the word is fall, rise. After that, the next word is fast. So the antonymous would be slow. Next word is fat. So the antonymous would be thin. The next word is fat. The antonymous would be skinny. So these both words are also same. After that, few, many. I have you know, few notes to prepare for the CTET, but I have many notes to prepare for the CTET. So this is the difference between these two words. The next one is first. Antonymous would be last. Forgive, blame. Forward, backward. After that, the word is heavy, light. So the antonymous of heavy would be light. Husband, obviously wife. Identical, different. The next one is increase. Then the antonymous would be decrease. Inside. So the antonymous would be outside. Junior, senior. We can also get the same example in the college or in the schools. In the college, we can get junior or seniors, and always junior gives party to seniors for the farewell, and seniors give party to juniors for the fresher. All right, we are moving forward. Then the next word is large. So the antonymous would be small. Large means the quantity is too much. Small, the quantity is too, you know, too small or minimum. After that, the next word is laugh, cry. A people is laughing and a person is laughing and a person is crying. The next word is lazy. So the antonymous of lazy would be diligent. Moving forward, Okay, so here we go for the new words. Funny. So the antonyms of funny would be sad. Next word, giant. Giant. So the antonyms would be tiny, give, receive, healthy, sick, heaven, hell. We never see heaven and hell, but if you will respect your parents, teachers, then I think you will get heaven. And if you will disrespect to anyone, then definitely will get hell. Up. The next word is up. So the antonyms would be down. Win, lose. So the next word is legal. Legal, illegal. Antonyms would be illegal. Like, dislike. Some people say if you like my video, then please give it a thumb, and if you dislike, then please dislike it. And lock, unlock. So the antonyms of lock would be unlock. Long, short. Loud, quiet. Major, minor. Though, sorry, tough, not though. It's tough, easy. So the antonyms of tough would be easy. Some people say that's very tough, I can't do. I can't crack the exam of KVS, it's very tough. And if we'll talk about intelligent chaps who love to do study, then they say it's very easy and I can do it. Okay, moving forward for the next question. All right, so the next question is, all right, male. Obviously the antonyms of male would be female. Man, woman. Man, woman. Women or woman. Marry, divorce. Mature, immature. Maximum, the antonyms would be minimum. Melt, freeze. And negative. So the antonyms of negative would be positive. Night, so the antonyms would be day. Noisy, quiet. Quiet means very sukh shanti. Shanti, the shanti that's called quiet. And quiet has different meaning. I'm quite happy. It's quiet for me. And please keep quiet. So there are three meanings of quiet. So noisy, it's quiet. The antonyms would be quiet. And the next word is possible. So the antonyms would be impossible. Private, public. The antonyms of private would be public. Push. Antonyms would be pull. Regular, irregular. So the antonyms of irregular would be irregular. Rich. So the antonyms would be poor. Antonyms of rich would be poor. Relevant, irrelevant. Some topics we get, for example, we can take the topic which I'm teaching you right now. This is relevant for CTET, DSSB, KVS, and for many more. And if I'm talking about any song, then that will be irrelevant for you because this is not relevant to your topic and your knowledge. After that, the next word is right. So the antonyms of right would be left. Again, right, wrong. There are two types of right. So the antonyms would be right and wrong. Risky, safe. Antonyms of risky would be safe. Okay, I think this one would be the last, and these are seriously very vital words, guys. Please, if you have watched video till now, then please watch till the end, and don't forget to make notes of these words. They could be very helpful for you. Now we are coming on the next word, old, new. Again, old, young and new, they both will be the same. If you're working in a company and you get old, then they fire you or they make you resign or you get retired. But if you're young or new, then they infuse you. Every organization wants infuse young blood and refuse old blood, because they think young blood can work hard and young blood can work leaps and bonds. The next word would be pass. The antonymous would be fail, patient, impatient. And after that, plural, singular. The antonymous of plural would be singular. The next word is polite. The antonymous would be rude. Polite, rude. Again, polite, then the antonymous would be impolite. So the next word is sad. The antonymous would be happy. Safe, dangerous. Satisfied, dissatisfied. Seller, buyer. Simple, hard. Single, the antonymous would be married. And the last one, I have put on this word from our topic, synonyms. The opposite would be, or antonymous would be antonym. So that was our topic. Synonym, antonym. It means opposite. Synonyms means the similar words. That means the similar words. And if we will talk about in Hindi, similar words. And opposite, that means opposite words. Similar means पर्यायवाची शब्द, opposite means विलोम शब्द. If we are talking related to grammar, Hindi grammar, so this would be the correct words in Hindi. So today we have discussed about many more words. I think they were not lesser than 100. I think, yeah, they would be 100, I think so. So I think we have covered very nicely to them. And if you want to see these words again, then please, I'm scrolling it slowly, see them again. Seat learners, these are the words which we did right now. Alright, so the page number 5, now page number 6, these are the words. Now page number 7, have a look on it. After that, the page number 8, just have a look. Now the page number last but not least, these are the words which we discussed right now. After that, the vital thing which I want to share with you guys, if you want follow us, then please join us on Instagram with the name of Padhega Tabhi To Badhega India. Never. Our name is Padhega India with us. On Instagram, you can follow us if you want, and if you want join us over Telegram, then this is our name over there, Padhega Tabhi To Badhega India World. And if you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you like the video, then please like it, give it a like and share it, and please sleep tightly. I think it's late night. I joined you guys, and thanks a ton, and good night, guys.